Hey, let me ask you a question. Why do you suppose these 30 people showed up for my marketing workshop? Well, they were invited. These students were part of my audience, and I have the ability to invite them to a workshop through email. So ask yourself this. Does your business have the ability to easily reach out to your customers for free whenever you want? One key failure I see businesses make every day is they don't invite customers to do business with them. They assume that they'll just show up, and in fact, they wind up often at your competitors. The bigger issue, though, is that they just don't have the ability because they failed at acquiring one very important item from their customers, and that's their contact information. Want to find out more about how to do all of this for your business? Click below to register for a workshop I'm doing on Wednesday, June 26th from 9 until noon. In this workshop, I'm going to dive deep and show you how you can start finding your customers, talking to them more often, and having more precise conversations. Precise? What do you mean, Ken? Well, let's say you're a restaurant and you send me an email about college night. Well, that's bad. I'm married with older kids and college night ain't in the cards. What if you had a huge gift card promo? Would you send that to everyone or only to the people who have done business with you? People who buy gift cards do so from brands they've had a past great experience with, way more often than strangers do. And these are just two simple examples. The fact is that more likely than not, you have a list, and if you do, it's either not big enough or you're not using it correctly. So click below to learn more about the workshop I'm doing on Wednesday, June 26th at 9 a.m.